everyone, good day and welcome back to Creative Ends platform. Today I will make an auto gele that will be carrying 3 fan, and the 3 fan I will show you. This is how I make my own, so I'll be explaining the way I make my own. So the width of the material or ashoke is 18, and then I will be working with the length of 42. 42 will be able to go round the head, so that's the reason I'm actually working with 42, so it will be able to go around the head. Then the next thing I will do is that I will go ahead and fold it. So I will be pleating it like I am making a pleated skirt or whatever, but I'm just going to create a pleat. I will create the pleat from the beginning till I get to the end. Remember, I am using 18 inches. Okay, now that I am done pleating the entire 18 inches, I'm going to secure the edge with my needle and thread. This method of auto gele is quite simple. It's quite simple, but I find out that it's actually unique, so I decided to drop it here for my subscribers and all those that just stop by to watch my videos. So this is just what I'll do. I'll secure it. Remember, I am sewing it in and out. I did not just tie it with the thread. This is to avoid the thread showing on this edge. So I'm just going to secure it like this, and then I'll go to the other part of it and also secure it. So right now I'll bring the base. Like I said, I have videos on how to prepare the base of auto gele, so that's why I don't need to repeat it in all of my videos. All right, so I already have the base. Now please, you see the way I place what I already pleated or what I folded already. I started from the back of this dummy. I started from the back head. That part you see me just cross, I will cut it when I am done with the decoration of the gele. I will cut it off, and then when I separate it, I will now be able to use one part to add. I will put handle on both sides for the tying. Okay, so this is just it. I will just cross now. Now that I cross it, I will secure it. I will secure it on the base and also secure the second part on the base. Then after that, I will just simply open the part that I sewed together before, or the part that I tacked together before. I will simply lose it so that it will enable the fan to spread out. So I'll just simply lose it, and just like you see now, the fan is already opened. One important thing is, when you are making the fan, if it's possible, please iron it if it's possible. You understand? Iron the step by step. It will keep this fan, the mark or the line of the pleat really showing, because that's where the beauty is. That's where the beauty is. So if you can iron while folding, is fine, but if you cannot, I think it's also okay. You will still come out with a good result, but you get a better result when you iron. You get a better result. Okay, so this is just how I open, and then I'll tack it together, and then you see the way it will simply spread out. So as you can see, I have a separate part that was prepared that will help me to do my finishing. So I prepared a separate part which I'll be using to do the final covering. And the height of this separate part is just the normal height of the ashoke, which is about 6 inches. So that's just the height. And then the length, should I say totally depend on you? Yes, it totally depends on how far you would want it to cover for you. Yes. So, but I think for this particular one, my length should be up to let me say between 25 to 30. Yes, because I really wanted it to spread out so well. So I actually used a very long one, but the width remained the same as that of the normal ashoke. Yes, but my length is between 25 and 30. So I just simply attach this to the front, or you can attach it to the back or to the side, but this is just what will give you the final crowning you are looking for, and it is very okay.